Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to do a nice party look for you. So first, have a bit of this Zogva. So the first step, as you can see, sticking my eyebrows up nicely. Brilliant. And now step number 2, and this is a quick and easy makeup tutorial for all you that busy people that haven't got much time. Now you get the big brush, bit of the Body Shop, and then this is to thicken up the beard, bit of that. As you can see, all my facial hair is now thicker. Next up we have these, but I don't know how to use those, so they can go. And last but not least, Mega Volume. And hopefully that looks good. And I'll see you next time, guys.